Hello everybody, I want to share with you my two latest baby trees that I purchased. These were purchased from a company in Texas called US Citrus, and the box is just great, guys. It's so well packed, very professional. Everything is taped in and secure, and I'm just really pleased. I learned about this from one of my YouTube gardening friends, Gardening City. She had ordered a tree from them, a kumquat, and posted it on her channel, and I checked them out, and the trees were still on sale. So I purchased two that I've been wanting for quite a while, and they are, of course, I wanted the kumquat. Let's see. This is so hard to do with one hand. I'm sorry, guys. Where is it? There it is. The kumquat. It's kind of like, it's a citrus, but it's kind of like a plum citrus. And also I wanted a Calamondin orange. And so these, like I said, are real small baby trees, but I'm going to have a lot of fun growing them. And I'll come back and show you what they look like inside of the pot. These trees are tropical, so they will be in my grow room during the winter once temperatures drop below 40 or 35 degrees. They can take a little bit lower than that, but I'm going to be moving everything in the house so that I won't make the mistake I did one year and couldn't get everything in the house or forgot some things. Okay, I'll be back later. Gardeners, the battery on my cell phone was low, so I had to charge it up. And while the phone was charging, I thought I'll just go ahead and plant the kumquat in the red pot. And now I'm getting ready to show you how I did it by planting the orange tree. It's very easy. A lot of nurseries are using the easy start pots now. I'm trying to actually plant this with one hand. As you can see, this is my orange tree, and more specifically, it's a Calamondin or Calamondin. It's an easy peel orange, and this is what it looks like after I took it out the burlap bag. I'll hold it like this so you can see it better. Now, in this container, I have mixed about 50% compost, 50% potty mix. And then I added my worm castings. And I also added azomite rock dust. You guys know it has a lot of minerals and nutrients that will help your soil. And I have one more thing I'm going to add, but I'm going to explain it after I insert this down in the potty mix. And you can't just use regular topsoil when you're doing container planting, because you need something that is going to easily drain. Okay, so I'm making that hole there. And then I'm going to put the camera down, I'm sorry, so that I can pull this pot loose, and then I'm going to add mycorrhizal fungi. It is a fungus that will allow your roots to take up the nutrients from the soil and all of the good soil amendments that you put in this container. And you guys know you have to water containers more frequently than you do plants that are in the ground. And you also have to add more nutrients. So I will constantly be topping off these plants with leaf mulch that contains biochar, and also I will be topping it off with compost. If you look over here, you'll see that I left about 4 inches, maybe 5, of the soil line so that I can constantly add. Keep in mind, when you're planting a citrus, you have to keep these feeder roots exposed. You see those little small little roots? They have to be exposed at all times. Now you can put a little leaf mulch on it because it can breathe, but not a whole lot. Because usually I put about 3 inches of leaf mulch and then it'll break down over a period of time, and then I will add more and add more compost. So I want these to breathe, okay? So now I'm going to attempt to pull this pot out by putting a strong grip on it. And I'm not going to be able to do it, so I'm going to set. My phone cut off, so I had to charge it up, and I went ahead and planted the small tree. It's going to cut off again. I'm finished now. And I have to actually dig some of the potting mix away because I forgot about this little scoop, so I had to dig it out. And then I watered it with rainwater. Getting tight-tongued because I'm trying to talk fast. And then also, I added a little neem oil in that rainwater and some neem oil spray. So I put the pots outside so that I can go get the leaf mulch and biochar. And the pots look so little, but you guys know that they're much bigger than they appear. Is the finished product with the leaf mold that has been aging, and it has biochar in it. If you don't know what biochar is, look it up. It's my first time using it. It's a derivative of burnt wood. The carbon is proven to make your plants grow real good. So thought I'd try it. Couldn't hurt. Guys, my banana trees are growing like crazy. This one is a cold hardy Musa, and it's about 12 feet now. I appreciate you taking time out of your schedule to watch my video. Take care. Bye now.